section 7.5 is counting atoms, 7.6 molar mass, 7.7 dimensional analysis. You should have completed these three sections before moving on to 7.8 percentage composition. So what exactly is percent composition? For chemistry, it's going to be the percent by mass of each element in the compound. Realize that the percentage of anything is a part divided by the whole, and then times 100 is what makes it into a percent. So in our case, I want to know what percentage of water is made up of hydrogen. So my part is hydrogen and water is the whole compound. So I have in water, notice, 2 hydrogens in the whole compound of H2O. So I'm going to have 1.01, which is the mass of hydrogen off the periodic table, times 2, divided by, and then water, if I go to the periodic table and add up the molar mass of water, I'm going to get hydrogen, which is H.1.01 times 2, and then I'm going to add that plus oxygen, which is 16, so plus 16 equals 18.02. And so that's going to be the mass of my water. So that'll go here. 18.02 grams of water. And this is going to be grams of hydrogen. So I'm going to have 2.02 grams of hydrogen divided by 18.02 grams of water. And this is going to give me, and then I'm going to multiply that times 100 in order to get my percentage. 2.02 divided by 18.02 times 100, 11.2% hydrogen in this compound. Okay, example number 2. The part is, I want to know how much oxygen is in calcium nitrate. There's my whole. So calcium nitrate, I want to go ahead and get the mass of this first. So I'll go to my periodic table again. And let's add up the mass of calcium nitrate. Calcium is 40.08. 40.08. And there's only one calcium. So I'm going to add that to nitrogen, which is 14.01. There are 2 nitrogens because if you distribute this 2, that gives me 2 nitrogens. So I'm going to do times 2 plus oxygen, which is 16.00. And because the 2 distributes, that gives me 2 times 3 is 6 oxygens. So I'll do times 6 equals a molar mass of 164.1. So that'll be the mass of my calcium nitrate. 164.1 grams. As far as the part goes, realize that I have a total of 6 oxygens in the whole molecule. So I'm going to do oxygen 16 times 6, that's going to be my grams of oxygen, divided by the molar mass of the whole compound, 164.1 grams of calcium nitrate. And I'm going to multiply that by 100 to make it a percent. So when I do 16 times 6 divided by 164.1 and then multiply that times 100, I get a percentage of 58.5%. And that's going to be percent of oxygen in my compound, calcium nitrate.